All right. Hi to each and every one of you guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I will actually be doing polygel with a polygel builder kit that I got from Amazon, and it's Makartt. So basically right now I'm just basically going in to show you guys how I actually measure my nails with the dual forms. So I'm basically getting ready to do that now. I'm going to slide a quick introduction of what my page is about real quick, and we're gonna go right back to the video. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Just wanted to quickly show you guys how I did my polygel nails on my natural nails, you guys, and just wanted you guys to see how it looked and how it turned out. Okay, you guys, if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video, you guys. To each and every